So for these problems right here, I'm just gonna do number 27, 29, 33, and 35, and the rest is for you to do. Let's start with number 27. Here it asks you to, given an equation of a line and a point, use substitution to determine whether the point is on the line. Well, hopefully you remember this from algebra, that all you need to do is just plug it in. If it equals to each other, then yes, it's on the line. If it's not equal, then it's not on the line. So 27. Well, you're gonna write down the equation. Let's see, y is equal to x minus 4. Wherever you see, and then the points are, the points are 5, 1, 5, 1. So then wherever you see x, this is the x, this is the y, you plug in a 5. So instead of x here, I'm going to plug in a 5. Instead of a y here, I'm plugging a 1. So it's right now if you work this out, it'll be 1 is equal to 5 minus 4 is 1. It's equal, so that means it is on the line. So number 27 on the line, on the line, and that's the answer. Now let's move on to number 29. So I'm gonna give you an example that is not on the line so you can see. This is number 29. Just rewrite the question, the problem. Y is equal to 3x plus 4. And then so the point is 7, 1. 7, 1. So remember, this is the x, this is the y. Plug it back in. Y is 1. Is it equal to, so instead of x, you want to put a 7. Now you're going to do 3 times 7, that's 21 plus 4. So it is not equal to, therefore it is not on the line. That's how you do number 27 and 29. Alright, so next, number 33. The idea for number 33 to 38, make sure you remember how to graph these inequality. Remember that your the graph should look somewhat like, you know, a line graph. Maybe you have a open circle, and then this is how you shade in. You go all the way. So this is how the graph looks like, either like this, or another example. Let's say you have this is 3 closed circle, and it goes let's see, up to here, and then it stops to right here. So this first one right here is maybe this is a ray. Um, and then this bottom right here is a segment. So make sure when you graph it, you know what it looks like, and then you'll determine if it's a ray, um, is it a point, or is it a line. So let me do number 33. Scroll down a little bit. Number 33. If I were to graph x is less than 3, remember from algebra the graph starts at 3, and then this is a closed circle because of the equal on the bottom. So I'm gonna close it, and then I'm gonna go shade in this way, and this is a ray. So that's the answer for number 33. So now let's try number 35 right here. I'm gonna do it in red. I'm gonna move it down a little bit so there's some room. Number 35. You have let's see, -7, and then you have x, and then 4. So make sure you remember how to graph this. So then your numbers are, this is -7 here, 4 is here, x is in between that, and they're both closed circle. So this is a line segment. So answer for number 35 is a segment.